Hello Plaza families and students. I wanted to show you how to use the online homework through Pearson Success Net Plus, otherwise known as Digits. So here we are on, notice problem number 1 here, and maybe there's a question on here that you're struggling with. Notice on the right, you can use the Help Me Solve This button, which will help walk you through it. You can even click View an Example, and then up pops up a similar problem or expression that can help you if you're struggling and you can't exactly remember how to solve that one. You can hit close. There's also a glossary. So if this word numerical expression, you don't remember that vocabulary word, you can click glossary. And then up will pop the vocabulary and key concepts, and it's always in numerical order. And obviously we're looking for N for numerical expression. And there's numerical expression, and you can click on it, and here it tells you the example and the definition of it. So even if you're struggling with vocabulary, you can go through that process. You can also do videos and animations. Now, number 1 doesn't have those options, but if I click here on number 2, and I'm kind of skipping number 1, which is okay, you can always come back to it. Notice on the right, the new piece is the video. So you can actually click on video, and you can have this play in either English or Espanol, and we're going to go with English.
Hi there, this is Griffin.
Now, I'm not going to go through the whole video, obviously, but this is your own personal tutor that will explain exactly how to solve the question that you are currently on. So that's again, that's the video option. So that's another way to get help. If you're doing this from home, your parents are out of town, they're cooking dinner or whatever, and you need help, you can always click video. Now, question 3 is even cooler, so I'm going to skip to that one. Question 3 has animation. So if, again, you come to this order of operations problem and you are struggling with how to solve it and you just don't know, you can actually click animation. And again, we're going to go with English. And I believe the Digits mascot is a peacock. I'm not exactly for sure why that pops up. But this will kind of be the opening screen for all the animations. And you can walk through an entire problem by clicking the next button down here in the lower right hand corner. So you hit next, and it brings up a problem. Again, I'm going to go a little bit quicker here.
How can you evaluate a numerical expression with more than one operation? Think about this question during the lesson.
Now, I'm not going to go through this whole thing, but it's a little, animated characters go through how to solve using the order of operations. So this is a very, very helpful tool and resource that you can use. So really what I'm trying to point out is if you're at home doing your homework, there's all these resources in case you get stuck. There's View an Example, there's Help Me Solve It, there's a video, there's animations, there's glossary for terms. So if you're getting stuck on something, rather than just right away asking your parents, try to use these tools over here on the right. I hope this was helpful. Have a great rest of your week.